Hi friends, in previous video we have covered fourth problem. So in this video we will cover fifth problem. This is the last problem of your exercise 1.1 of real numbers. Okay, so see here what question they are asking. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. So before solving this question you should understand this question first. Okay, what they are asking us, only one, that means either n or n plus 2 or n plus 4 will be divisible by 3. Okay, so first we will assume, let n value we will assume n is equals to, let us assume 2. Okay, n is equals to 2. Then what is n plus 2? N plus 2 value how much? 2 plus 2, 4. Then what is n plus 4? What is n plus 4? 2 plus 4, that is 6. So now in 2 comma 4 comma 6 which number will be divisible by 3? 2 will be divisible in 3? No. 4? No. 6? Yes. Are you able to understand? That means if you are taking n value 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Suppose I will take n value 1. If I take n value 1, what is n plus 2? N value is 1. N plus 2, 3. Here n plus 4. What is n value? 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Now here 1 comma 3 comma 5. Which number is divisible by 3? 1? No. 3? Yes. This one not. Only 3 is getting divisible by 3. That means n plus 2 is getting divisible by 3. Are you able to understand? That means in this question, listen carefully. In this question, if you take any value, you can take n, maybe any positive integer. In question only they given, you have to take n is any positive integer. I will take any positive integer. Okay, if I take any one positive integer, only one number from these three numbers will be get divided. Okay, either n will give divisible by 3, or n plus 2 will be divisible by 3, or n plus 4 will be divisible by 3. But all the three numbers will not divisible by 3 at a time. Are you able to understand? That only we need to prove. Okay, just now I shown one example, right? Similarly we need to prove this only. Okay, only one number from this will be divisible by 3. Okay, so here we cannot start our concept by taking let a is be a positive integer. Why? Because in this question they asked us to do n only. They already taken n is any positive integer. Okay, so we have to take n as a positive integer. Given, already they are given n is a positive integer, already they only given, so that's why we should not take a. Now by division algorithm what we know? Okay, by division algorithm what we know already? We already know a equal to bq plus r. Okay, this is our condition, and we already know 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So instead of a here you should take n. In place of a, n is there. Okay, bq plus r, b will be as it is. Let us you can also take b value, no problem. B value you can take 3. Okay, 3 q plus r. If you take 3, what will be the r value? 0 less than or r less than 3. You are going to get 0 comma 1 comma 2. These are the r values. Okay, so here, so now you try to put r equal to 0, b equal to 3 already there, r equal to 0 you put in equation 1, this equation. So what you are going to get? N is equals to 3q plus r. That means n is equals to, you are going to get 3q. N equal to, you are going to get 3q. Now check. I will substitute any value here, q value. I will substitute 1. If I any positive number I can substitute. Okay, q value I will substitute 1. Then what is the n value? 3. No, 3 is divisible by 3. Yes. Suppose I will substitute q value 2. Q value I will substitute 2. 2 into 3 how much? 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Yes. Suppose I will substitute 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. That means n is divisible by 3 here. Okay, that means n is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. You can take q any value. This n is getting divisible by 3. Now n is divisible by 3 means n plus 2 and n plus 4 should not be divisible by 3 or not. Let us check that also. Okay, so n plus 2 should not divisible by 3. Chalo, in order to make this n plus 2, what you have to do? Add 2 on both sides. Okay, add 2 on both sides. What you are going to get? N plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 2. Okay, now you put q in place of q, substitute any one value. Let us substitute q equal to 1. Okay, q equal to 1. Q equal to 1 means what? 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. 5 is divisible by 3? No. Suppose substitute q equal to 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2 8. 8 is divisible by 3? No. So that's why it is n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Are you able to understand? It not divisible by 3. Similarly, not now what you have to check? N plus 4 also divisible by 3 or not, you have to check. In order to make this equation n plus 4, what you need to substitute? Again you add 2 on both sides. N plus 2 plus 2 means n plus 4 only, no? Here 3q plus 2 means 4. Again you substitute any one value here, q value let us substitute 1. 3 into 1 3 plus 4, you are getting 7. 7 is divisible by 3? No. So it is not divisible. Khatam. It is not divisible by 3. If you are taking r equal to 0, what you are able to get? N is divisible by 3. Now let us check by taking r equal to 1 in the same equation. N is equals to 3q plus r is there, no? Instead of taking 0, I will take 1 now. Okay, now you check by substituting q values. Now I will substitute q equal to 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 is not divisible by 3, so not divisible. Okay, now add 2 on both sides. N plus 2, this one will be 3q plus 3. Now you check, you add q value 1. Q value 1 means what? 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. That means n plus 2 is divisible by 3 here. Again n plus 4 will not get divisible by 3. Already you know. If you add 2 on both sides, it will become plus 5. Instead of q, you substitute any one value. 3 into 1 plus 5. That you are going to get 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So no. Okay, not divisible by 3. That means if you are substituting r equal to 1 in a equal to bq plus r, we got n plus 2 divisible by 3. Now I will substitute r equal to 2. If I substitute r equal to 2, what you are going to get? 3q plus 2. Okay, 3q plus 2, n value. Now you substitute any one value here, q equal to 1, you are getting 5. 5 is not divisible. Alright, I will add 2 on both sides in order to check whether n plus 2 is divisible or not. So here I will put one value 1, 7, not divisible. I will add n plus 4. N plus 4 means what? 3q plus 6. Now you add any one, I will write q equal to 1. So 3 plus 4. 3 plus 6 is what? 9. 9 means what? Divisible by 3 or not? This is divisible by 3. That means, listen carefully. That means when you are taking r equal to 0, n is divisible by 3. When you are taking r equal to 1, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. When you are taking r equal to 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. That means in each and every case, only one particular condition is getting valid. Remaining two conditions are failed. Here also, in this case, one condition valid, remaining two conditions failed. Here also, one condition valid, remaining two conditions failed. In question, what they are asking us, only one and only one value out of these three will be get divisible by 3. Please show that. We are showing that only now here, right? We are showing that only or not? In each condition, only one and only one value is getting divisible by 3. Remaining two are not getting divisible by 3. Okay, like this you have to follow. Sir, then why only r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2? Now can we put r equal to 3 also, sir? No, you cannot put r equal to 3. Why? Because here you have taken b value 3 only. If you take b value 3, what is the condition? 0 less than r less than b. How many reminders you are going to get? 0, 1, 2. Then you have to put only these 3. Why you will put r equal to 3, r equal to 4? Okay, this is the condition, very much important. So this is the solution for last question. If you are not understanding, please put comment. I will explain again. Okay, thank you.